Well, you must be wondering why I have these things in front of me now. If you're someone who struggles with bad coughs, discomfort of the lungs, a lot of mucus buildup, well, if you want to get rid of them, I think you should stay and watch the rest of this video. Hi guys, now you want to know how to make this quick and easy guaranteed home remedy. Well, all you need is honey, essence of peppermint, eucalyptus oil, garlic. That's it. That's all you need. So basically the ingredients goes and the steps is 250 milliliters of honey, which is equivalent to 8.45 ounces or half cube, half cube of honey. Yes, you can get this honey, which is this bottle size of honey you need. Then you're gonna add half teaspoon of the essence of peppermint. You're going to also add half teaspoon of the eucalyptus oil. Now, there are different types of eucalyptus oil, so be careful. When you're going to purchase it, ask for the eucalyptus oil that can be consumed, okay? So you're going to add half teaspoon of that to your mixture with 3 to 5 cloves of garlic. Now you're going to add that to your magic bullet, and you are going to blend that. If you don't have a magic bullet, that's fine. You can use the blender, right? But you would have to strain it properly. If you use the blender, when you do it through the magic bullet, you don't have to strain it. As you can see, my mixture is in this. So what I did was to make it, and once I'm finished, when it's done mixing, I add it to the bottle back. So you can add it back to the bottle. It can be put in the refrigerator, or you can leave it on the outside. You can leave it outside, or you can leave it in the refrigerator. This is how it looks. As you can see, you have the settlement at the bottom. But this is how it pretty looks. This is how it looks. Good. So what you'll do, you'll take a tablespoon of this every day or every other day. It all depends on you, right? For me, I take it every other day and it works. The cough is no longer there. The mucus is out. So this is a remedy that I am 150% positive about that it works. Trust me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and